Asthma is a major non-communicable disease, and it has been in WHO plan in a very serious manner to have a laid-out plan to reduce the incidences of asthma. The major issue with asthma is that a number of vessels or tubes within the lungs are usually blocked and narrowed, leading to some kind of cough, wheezing, some kind of breath seizing, and tightness in the chest. Usually, the inhaler usually helps to relieve the issues of inflammations and these blockades that are found in various areas of the lungs. And it is known that asthma has no cure anywhere in the world. Over 262 million people affected by asthma all over the world. And as I said earlier, it's also believed that the use of inhalation with some adapters for delivery of those inhalation materials helps quickly in the relief of asthma. And some factors are known to hasten or increase asthma attack. Factors like animal pollen, some plants, some animal floor, feather, and what have you. And even when there are seasonal changes, asthma also comes in. There are some seasons for some people. It varies from people to people. So what may be responsible for your own asthma may be different from what is responsible for my own. But the good news here today is that phytomedicine has a solution for asthma. This is as a result of the discovery of sulfur 6. Sulfur 6 is a material 100% made of phytomedicine. Plants, spices, and what have you. It was removed from my lab here in Abuja, taken to the US and tested in the lab in Texas for the cancer of colon. But along the line, while observing the experiment, they saw that it's not only colon, it could also deal with cancer of the lungs. And you know, lung cancer is bigger than an asthma. The cancer is a cancer of the lungs. The asthma is a disease of the lungs. So based on the fact that it was able to do that, it was extrapolated to test it against asthma. And to God be the glory, it came out cleaning asthma away. So we should not neglect our phytomedicine. Phytomedicine has a lot of solutions. In fact, if biblically and in Quran, if you refer to it when human beings were created, the sequence of the creation of the worldly things, when plants got created, the functions of the leaves were stated, the functions of the seeds were stated. So it still stands till today. All the solutions to human issues are within his environment. It's only that man is not careful enough to look for those solutions. But in phytomedicine, this is what we try to do, to carefully look for those solutions. So following from the discovery in the University of Texas, we now have a total cure for asthma because this thing has been tested, results released, publications made. This particular issue was presented to over 18,000 American scientists, where my discovery in this issue of asthma, cancer of the lungs, cancer of the colon, was termed a lead discovery. So if we have asthma issue, no one around here of the 262 million should die from asthma. Asthma has a solution, both preventive and both cure. So we should not look down on our phytomedicine. Phytomedicine will go a long way to deal with even many more issues that are yet to come up.